This weekend, we set our clocks back, and 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko is working for you with something else you should be doing.
That's right, Ashley. Daylight saving time comes to an end this weekend. Before you go to bed Saturday night, don't forget to set your clock back 1 hour as daylight saving time ends and we go back to standard time. You should also take this time to check your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors.
Changing your batteries. It's a good time to remember that. Use that as your template to change your batteries, making sure everything is functional and working correctly.
Place your smoke detectors if they are 10 years old and your carbon monoxide detectors if they are between 5 and 7 years old. There are also new alarms that have a 10-year lithium battery, so you just change the alarm and you don't have to worry about the battery.